Are you ready to discover the blueprint for publish, rinse, and repeat revenue? Let me help you uncover the secrets to boosting your passive earnings in this $2 billion market. It's no secret that I'm a huge fan of low-content printables and digital downloads. These products are quick to create, and people flock to buy them all year long. But it can be difficult to figure out which niche is best. I'm always on the hunt for high-demand niches with low competition, and I've found one that I can't wait to share with you, and 4 sub-niches that are super hot. Introducing Easy AI Niche Journals. Easy AI Niche Journals is your all-in-one toolkit for succeeding in the lucrative world of printable journals. Whether you're interested in discovering which niches are best, learning how to harness free AI to create content, or proven methods to boost your journal sales, my comprehensive guide and toolkit make the publishing process a breeze. This is brand new training that has been specially created to do the majority of the work for you, and absolutely every detail you need to succeed is clearly explained from start to sale. Scroll down now to learn more.